You've probably seen one of these before. Even though this is what's in our name, this isn't exactly what we do. We manufacture industrial nameplates that the world depends on. Nameplates for the oil and gas pumps, tractors, military equipment, the door sill of most every commercial airplane you've ever boarded, and so much more. If it has to last 30 years in a harsh environment, that nameplate came from a place just like this. Texas Nameplate has been in business for 80 years. My grandfather started this company after World War II. My brother and I are third generation running it, and we still answer the phone ourselves. We ship thousands of nameplates a day, green, defect-free, and on time. Send us a quote request, and you'll hear back from us in under an hour. Not a bot, a real person. Built for OEMs who can't afford a mistake in the field. If you build equipment that has to perform, we manufacture the part that proves it. Texas Nameplate, nameplate.com.